What's up, man? Did you start that new eval? It's Brittany Batch. Nice. Take it nice and slow. Nice and slow. No rush.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Yeah, it's NQ. I think I'm gonna adjust so my chart is more towards the right. So you can see the price. If you change your phone sideways, if you're on your phone, it makes it large. We're at 50% right now.
So the Swiss Foreign Ministry say the potential signing of the US-Iran MOU is currently scheduled for Friday, 19th of June at the Bergen Stock in central Switzerland.
Just waiting for it to hit this 50%. And then we'll see if it hits the rest after. Oh. There we go. Out two. We could do break even, but I feel like it could come back and then bounce. I remember this song. Yeah. Yeah, I caught the bottom. Well, I got in more like 820s, I think, and then I added two more. Yeah, so it was like 820. Got 8 minutes left for this hourly to close. You know, we got the fair value, you got Rocket, which also helps. Teach me how to doggy. Teach me how to doggy. So this can come back down to the 50. I might close this right now. I think, wait. One. Teach me how to doggy. Well, no, it's still got a lot of time. Trying to decide what to do here. I'm pretty sure. This is the candle you'd want to close below. So I think we're okay for now. If we can start breaking this higher high, we'll be Gucci. I'm going to put a... Trying to decide where I should put this trailing stop loss. Or maybe I could just take one out instead of guessing here. All right, we'll take out one. I like that one better. Because I'm over here like, should I take out one? Should I take out two? Just take out the one. And now I could do the break even with 1 micro left to the upside. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You to ride with me. And then see the why best I feel this way. I'm working on doing content next. I gotta be able to record, obviously stream live, do some why it enters, and then clip it. I just started clipping now, so AI said it's the only way you could really fucking do it. And then I'm gonna simplify my screen a little more. Because maybe some guys are getting overwhelmed. Oh, I got hit it. I'm out. But we might be able to fucking ride this back up. I don't know how to act. That was a nice banger, though. That was what? $700? NYC. Bye. Alright, it's on VWAP again. Like, I want to long it, but... Try another one. See if we can get a little scalp out of this. Pass me the money. Reason why I'm looking at this again is it comes up, pulls back right off the VWAP here. So it might get a little bounce here. Needs to bounce up. I mean, it's kind of like a 60-40 chance right now. 60% goes up, I think. The failure. We got 2 minutes until closing. Next show. What? What? And the accumulation candle happened with the manipulation, so. You think a short? I got most of my money out, so it's fine, but. I mean, this 15-minute did manipulate down. If it closes below 812s, then it might not be good. Oh, look at this hourly. Holy shit. We need it to close above. Oh, man. No good. 7 seconds. 7 seconds for this to rip back up. That's funny. I want to try to see if I can get out of this. What made you think it was going to be a short there? I got out almost all my profit at this top here. I just, I wanted to see if it would bounce. Oh, your algo. Now I remember.
SpaceX, after overtaking Amazon, has now overtaken Microsoft, becoming the fourth biggest company by market value.
Who's that, Amazon? To the shower. Oh, that was SpaceX, the fourth biggest? Let's see. You know what's crazy is that that's all government money. Well, you got private investors. Yogurt, man. People were yelling at me yesterday, Yogurt, because I was like, not my boy, Yogurt. Let's give him more chances. Let's give him more chances. I'm like screaming your name for like a minute. Everybody's like, he's not here. He's not here. I was like, not my boy, Yogurt. The SpaceX thing is wild. Is it moving up a lot or no? I was making dinner with girlfriend. This is on her. Tell her she owes you a It was the 50K flex too. Lucid. It was a good one. Nico won the first one, which was the mystery box. What a robbery, dude. He got a 25K flex account. I paid $100 for that. And then I gave away another 50K flex after. I still have one more left. Give away. There's a lot of little bounce here to get out. Let's look at SpaceX while we're waiting. Whoa. Whoa. This is going to be like Tesla, bro. You know, Tesla, everybody was like, oh, it's overbought, it's overbought, it's overbought. And it just kept going. Just needs to blast through here. Closed above. Didn't hit that 50 yet. I don't see why this doesn't go up. Let's see here. Yeah, this looks fucking good, dude. I'm gonna go one more. Just for the bounce. Yeah, this looks like a good pullback, too. What else is dumping? Because, oh, Amazon? Because fucking SpaceX is ripping up. And then something else is dragging it. Alright, Amazon's kind of cracking. Do a Microsoft. Because Microsoft lost a spot. Oh, jeez. NVIDIA, there you go, yeah. NVIDIA's just been getting beat up, huh? There it goes. This looks like a double bottom. Yeah, look at that. Look at the RSI. Got a low on the RSI, a low on the chart. Then you got a new low. Look at the RSI. Nowhere's even near. is so divergent. And it's breaking above. It's about to rip, dude. What? Thanks for the share, bro. Wants to rip. Yogurt, tell her she owes you or else she's going to the dungeon. I got you. We in there with Nova.
They say money can't buy happiness. Look at the fucking smile on my
What?
face.
With the heart? Paying my electric bill. My gas bill. Thank you, thank you. Rip up. There you go, NVIDIA. Broke that neckline. No.
You're mine.
Mine now. Your 8 cents is mine. You know what's crazy? Out of the 8 cents, I think I only get like a penny out of that. Douchebags. I know. You know. Says you can. Yogurt. Yeah. Let's have a toast. Run away. Kind of like just died. Feeling like today is a short day. I mean, the data does point to a short day, but the U.S. exports kind of made it flat, I think. So we had bad U.S. building permits and housing starts. They were all red, especially in the U.S. housing. That was a pretty big negative there. But then you got like your U.S. export prices and stuff like that, and U.S. building permits. They went up a lot. So it's kind of like a squash almost. Maybe a tiny bit to the downside more. I'm not sure. Whatever it is, it's accumulating here, right? Got a head and shoulders a little bit. And it's a little sloppy. Very sloppy. Let's see if it like actually looks okay. I don't think it does. Oh, unless this is it right here. Kind of looks like it failed. Unless it's like a crazy sideways one. Fast as you can. But you could be right about the short. It is leaning more towards short. Hi-yo. I come in peace. Okay, it's showing on a very small order block here to the upside. But looks a little downish, bro. All right, so now this needs to close above here. Delta quit delting at 4 p.m. on the 11th. Way overdue for a pullback. I can agree with that too. I mean, we are in astronomical prices. I just felt like it was going to go up a little higher before the fall. Does that make sense? Like, we need to rip it up a little more. But this finally, like, after days, came below. On the daily. Look in the weekly. Weekly still Gucci. I don't know. I'm up in the air on that. Way higher, right? I do too. We need to go way higher before something bad happens. Does that make sense? I might dip down. This thing just keeps dipping. So we had our amazing long before. Then I was trying to see if it wants to rip up because of NVIDIA. Oh, look at the fucking NVIDIA playing games. All right. We have another chance to rip up here. Oof. Damn. All right. I just close this. 2 micros is $350 fucking dollars, bro. Insane. Ooh, you sizing too high. What are you doing, bro? I want to hold it a little longer. I think it's just sweeping. 5 micros? Yeah, dude. That's too much. Could keep going, so be careful. Two micros, fucking wow. We did sweep that 1 hour low though again. Might get a retracement here. What are you gonna do? Two fucking micros is 100 points down. Is $800 for me.
The Nasdaq 100 index
400.
extends drop to session low, down 0.5%.
Fucking the video,
SpaceX
bro.
shares pair gains
It's
to
still
less
holding
than
though.
10%. Seeing some weakness in the S&P 500 here. So according to a trade alert data, more than 500,000 option contracts on SpaceX change hand within first hour of Strait of Options trading.
But damn,
The S&P
they all
500
sold.
index at session low, down 0.1%.
I don't know, Reigns. I'm getting a little smashed right now. And 2 micros too, bro. I wanted to see a bounce. It's all I fucking wanted. And I didn't get out. I thought I was going to move up more. Fuck, this thing fucking tumbled. Good job, Defector. Damn, dude. That SpaceX fucking... Oh, it's fucking... Everything's dropping, dude. Well, what's the news that we don't know? Something's out and we don't fucking know. SpaceX got a little bounce here. That was a good bounce. But everything else is not doing very well. Google's fine, so what the fuck is it talking about? Is it just NVIDIA? NVIDIA? NVIDIA is very expensive, period. But if I was to buy NVIDIA, I wouldn't probably buy it until... I don't know, it's a tough one, man. 190s? If I was, but... I don't give stock advice. Only what I see. What the fuck? I guess I mean it's still divergent in the video, but look at this. Holy shit. Hopefully it fucking bounces here. Still going down. Still got 3 minutes before it even tries to go up, I think. And so now. And down to 221 at least. Oh, that's a lot, dude. I mean, over time, yeah. Unless a really bad news came out right now, but maybe it'll grind down there. On the floor. I don't know. It kind of dropped on me, X6. But I am in a long, but it kind of dropped on me. I tried to do a bounce play, and it fucking whacked me. We're going to see right now. Got about 15 seconds left. I would like it to wait 1 minute and then sweep 670s. Oh, it is, huh? So it was a pretty dramatic fucking candle. What is that? Almost 200 points, dude? 150 points in 15 minutes? On what news, though? What news? No news. Just probably profit taking, I guess. All right, here we go. Because you were in longs? Fuck, this is huge, dude. All my profit is gone. I want to see one more thing right here. That's the problem. I'm going to get it back. I'm going to get it back. I need 29 seconds left. It just keeps fucking dropping. Nothing. What's fucking moving? Just SpaceX? That's it? It's at 61% now. All right, I'm going to buy 2 more. If it breaks above this. Fuck, dude. This thing is dropping, bro. Someone call 911. All that money gone, bro. Come on, there's no fucking news. Unless there is news and he's gonna release it yet. Age of Lows. Yeah, definitely fucking took that. I would say 670s is next after that. Thing is fucking ripping on me, bro. I guess I gotta close this. It's got to at least break 600s, right? I can't believe I gave all that money back, bro. I was sitting so fucking pretty. We're at the 61s now. 1.6 is 540s. That fucking cracked me, dude. I want to go more because it looks great. For the short now, still. This is in straight fucking tumble mode, though. Dude, come on, bro. There you go. I thought it was gonna fucking pop there. And it still might. What the fuck, dude? I can't believe I went from fucking $1,800 to this. I just went long. Could be wrong totally, though. I was hoping, bouncing here should fucking go up. Gonna bounce down. Thank you, what? Dude, I can't get a fucking break. God, fucking scammer right now. I don't need you, bro. Here we go. Come on. Might be too graphic. Six, 7 ones. It should hit. Damn, this one's lower. SpaceX. This is very difficult to trade, so please be careful, guys. My news guy's on. Yeah, nothing's coming out. I feel like that was a soul grabber there, dude. I'm thinking it's going to keep ripping up now. We're going to see. We're going to have to judge it. I think we at least get to like 720s maybe. But I didn't expect that drop period, so... Maybe good news is coming out and they wanted a better price. All right, route 2. Yeah, I was saying it might rip all the way back up. This could just be a liquidity grab. That 1 hour is fucking insane, though, dude. Definitely an order block here, though. 600s. 15-minute. Look at that. It's about to rip up. Got 5 minutes left, though, this candle. Yeah, this looks bullish, bro. I got a little confused there for a second. Still got 4 minutes left. All right. Thinking 747 for my first two, and then we'll go for the last one. Got to get past these. Almost touched that 5-minute too. This 5-minute candle needs to close green. Yeah. Why, you see something? I gotta wait 3 minutes to see. 2 minutes. Because this could rip. Really rip. Nah, this is I use Lucid Prop Firm, and then I use the Trade8 version, and then I connect it to my Trading View. This is Trading View. So we use prop firms around here, where you spend like $90 and you get a $50,000 buying account. You got to pass a test with them, and then they give you like basically real money almost. And anything that you make past a certain amount of dollars, you get to keep. Still got 1 minute and 30 seconds left. You change your name? Prompt market? No. We'll first do a practice account. You can get one on TradingView for free. And then I would recommend prop firms. So you get like $2,000 for a $50,000 account. If you use real money, would you be upset if you lost $80 or $2,000? Because real money's a whole different ball game. It really changes that mindset. Uh-oh, we really need this to fucking close green, dude. Two seconds. Green. Oh, it's not. I'm gonna take it out. I gotta lower this. I don't want to. 50% retracement. I still think this rips up, but I could be wrong. Just gonna scalp a little. I'm not sure what it's gonna do, guys, so just be careful. I mean, SpaceX looks head and shoulder to the upside. Let's see what happens at this order block here at 619s. Win. Win. I can't believe I gave back all that money. What? I started with my own money, lost 16K? Fuck. Yeah. I'm gonna see how it reacts here at 622s. I can't believe that thing ripped down that much. That was my fault though. I did the I tried the bounce play and I should have closed it. I should have closed it. $580 soon. Let's see. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Well, it's like you got to be right or else you're fucked. I mean, this is a bear flag here. We got a couple minutes. Gonna short this market out. All right, then I'm gonna go long. Well, usually in these moments, everybody's gonna like trying to buy that dip, and then it just fucking soul collects, right? That's probably what happened. We just gotta wait a minute. That's all. This could be the fucking long too. That's why I'm like, do I want to get in now or do I just want to wait until it rips down? I think we should stay patient. If it comes down a little bit more, then we can look for the buy. If we miss it, we miss it. We'll have to look for a different kind of entry here. If it breaks above 715s, it is a long though. That's why I'm like, do I just go in or do we just wait a little bit more? Go away. Think it's gonna go down more. I'm actually in between. Mr. Bash said, what? Please start posting your entries, please. Yeah, I have to. I don't want to pick a side yet. If it breaks above 716s, we're going up. I do want it to come down just a little bit more. I mean, the hourly starts soon, too, so I could get a fucking amazing long if we get an hourly swipe. Oh wow, SpaceX is buys AI startup Cursor. That's the one I use. It's pretty good.
Iran's top negotiator Galabaf, in a call with Lebanon's parliament speaker, says Israel must withdraw from the occupied areas in Lebanon. People of southern Lebanon must return to their homes. Galabaf also says the war must end on all fronts, including Lebanon. Keep in mind, earlier from Hezbollah Media Relations Office, Hezbollah said that they received promises from Iran that it won't sign the final nuclear deal with the US until Israel withdraws from Lebanon.
Claude,
That came out a few hours ago this morning.
So Iran's kind of right, but we don't represent Israel. No deal, right? I told you Israel is the only one that can fuck this up right now. All right, we hit that midway point, so let's see. I'm gonna put a buy entry right above. It's kind of scary though. 650s. I can't. It's too scary. We'll see how this acts. Again, in 5 minutes from now, let's see if we can get an entry anyway, so. Damn, like, this looks really good. Just gonna scalp it. Every time I say that, it fucking rips the other way, so be careful. $14 seconds. Hurry up, hurry up. If this closes below, it should continue down more. Fuck, dude. Oh, the gap, right, Mallory? What's that price at? I know it's far down. All right, it's rejecting it so far. $3,100-ish? Wow. Also another 500 points. Ah, did it? Yeah, just well, the other one's still not expired, but most prop firms go to the new contract. If this goes up, I'm gonna be pissed. It shouldn't though. We should swipe. I know, X6. I mean, you guys saw me. I was up $1,800 green, bro. I fucked it all up. That was a difficult market, but we're rejecting pretty good here, so I don't see why it doesn't continue down. Look at the next level, which is 540. Oh, what just happened there? That was so fast, it couldn't even close on the other ones. Shit. All right. We got a swipe. In this what? In this what? All right. We got 50 seconds. Oof. Valerie, that's pretty deep. That's unlike you. It's unlike you. Oh, you shorted? Oh, you shorted for May 16. Good fucking job. Thought you meant that you were in a long. All right. Hourly is done. I really wanted to swipe 560s.
So the US
That
had
would
to
give
sell
me the
$70 billion
ultimate.
in 4-week bills on
Yes.
June 18th, settling on June 23rd. So according to a Kremlin aide, Putin and Trump did not discuss a possible Putin-Zelensky meeting in the US's latest call. A Kremlin as well on the EU's efforts to convince Trump to toughen the stance on Russia at the G7 summit says we will see after the Iran deal signing opportunity opens up for Witkoff and Kushner to visit Moscow.
I really think it needs to go below 560s. I'm going to short 2. It's so scary because just 2 micros, that was like fucking $130 right there already. Could be wrong, and he goes up first and then swipes down, which is like 70 points, which is scary too. I probably shouldn't trade like that. B to the is A. No, what? I'm just joking. It was just a little bit of mass mishap. If you're starting to see it short, then go ahead. I'm thinking along below 550s. But again, I'm guessing that it's gonna go there. I don't know if it's gonna go there. I should probably be out and waiting for it to land there and then look for the long.
The VIX sat over a 1-week low, last down spot 27 points at around 15.93.
Uh-oh. Needed to reject. 628s. Fuck you. Good. See how it's really fighting that? Yeah, like I want it to sweep down, but it doesn't have to. It can come back up and then diddy around. Would I love for the swipe down? Yeah, because we can get a fucking nasty entry. Castanis. The rough market, bro. Look at this. This thing is ripping back fucking 30 points at a time. Damn, damn, damn. Not good. I wanted to stay below this, and it fucking closed above now. Could easily go up to 683s, even 700s. Fucking what? You did this. There you go. Break below this. We can get a nice little downtrend here. Got a 5-minute long here. I really need this to fucking crack down, though. Might not. No, well, I want you to stick to your thing unless you're really wrong all the time. If you see a short, then maybe it's just manipulating you. Yeah. Exactly. I was waiting to see what it would do here on the 15-minute. I was up a lot of money this morning too, man. I keep doing this. I keep giving back to the market past 2 months. What is our golden indicator? What do you mean? Oh. Wow, that was so wrong. Exactly what? That's what they want you to do. So wrong, Mr. Bastard. Problem is this can easily go up at the same time. I did not mean to do that. Yeah, you can't go opposite. I've done the same shit. It doesn't care. It's usually just soul collecting, and you gotta accept it.
Wells
You gotta
Fargo
accept.
raises their 2026 year-end target range for the S&P 500 to 78 to 8,000 from 7,400 to 7,600.
Real love. Get back, get back. You think I'm shadowed right now? I only have 8 people in here. Yep, this is gonna rip up. $200 already. It's like, do I just hold to see if it swipes or not? I saw the ball. You see this nice trend line here? Trend lines love to get broken eventually. I'll fall in the sword. Here we go. Let's do this. Here we go. Let's get this swipe. Hey, do you guys mind if I just restart TikTok? I don't want to, I have 8 people in here. I'm obviously shadowed. I'm just going to restart it real quick, all right? 2 seconds. Come right
We're
back.
seeing reports from Sky News citing the Press Association that sailors on a Russian frigate fired warning shots at a sailing yacht in the English Channel.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't know why it does it to me. Na 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 na. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm sorry, what? I had nobody in here, though. I always feel so guilty, too. Thanks for the share. Come on, let's get a swipe down. You guys can do 5K in like 3 seconds. Just looking to see if this wants to swipe that 5-minute low. If we can swipe this 5-minute low, we're going to be really good. The hourly low, I'm sorry. Or we just need what to go long right now. Joking. Do not do that. Stick to your strategy. Come on! What you do? On me. You. Wow, this thing is gonna go sideways on me. Oh man, maybe we should get out now. 740s. He did say 100 points always goes against him. Who's going long now? Who's going long? Yeah, that looks like a good spot. 655s. They might want to fucking rip the 664s and then come down. Ship with you. Not sure yet though. You make me. I love TikTok. I'm alive, TikTok. I'm a real person. I'm a real person. This makes me look like a monster, by the way. See that forearm, baby? Where's the beach? Ship with you. We needed to swipe one of these 591s now at this rate. Gotta let it go. Encourage your viewers to share your live and invite more friends. Come on, drop. What you do? Drop, baby, drop. You make me. Come on, me.
The UK are viewing the Russian warship incident in the Channel as isolated. So again, this is in reference to the earlier Sky News headline as sailors on a Russian frigate supposedly fired warning shots at a sailing yacht in the English Channel. Again, UK Ministry of Defence commenting on this, saying that the UK is viewing this incident as isolated.
Heard about me. Orlando. I've seen it in a bit, bro. You heard about me. Get $1 out of me. PIMP. We're chilling. We're chilling. How about you? It's been a rough market. Come on, drop, baby. Gotta swipe. Four-eyed. You missed the giveaways yesterday. Because you usually get lucky. Yeah, we did 2 giveaways yesterday. We're $200. I did a mystery. Wow, that was a huge rip up there. What the hell was that? Shit. It's probably going to go back to 628s. Could have traded for a whole week. Yeah, I couldn't trade last week either. I had a work thing. But I got 6 days off in a row because of it. But I worked like 15 days in a straight. That rip up, what going to short? He longed it, actually. That's why it's going to come right back down. Yogurt says, I'm checking the 5-minute cloud. Maybe it will keep projecting all session like previous downtrend last week. Yeah, it could. It really could. I mean, look at it. It literally just love tapping it. Love touching that booty. Look at that 5-minute. There you go. Woo! Daddy's back. All right, we needed this though, guys. You guys ready for this? Because where Daddy's gonna shine, all right? It's a huge candle though. We don't want this candle to be too big. Spoofing. You feeling better now? What? I believe in you, bro. Don't put yourself down. You are someone.
The Nasdaq 100 now extends its drop to 1%.
Okay. So, really large candle though. What is that, like fucking 70 points? So it finally broke that low on the 1 hour. And we have plenty of room to go up, but it needs to start rejecting for the next like 30 minutes. So this is a huge fucking candle. Huge. Dude, this thing's dropping. SpaceX dropping or no? What's dropping? Is it still Amazon? No, like what is doing this? We got to go down the list, boys, because it's too much now. Let's see. SpaceX sideways. Nvidia we saw sideways. Tesla, yeah, large sideways. Apple, up. Microsoft, sideways. Google, up. Meta, large sideways. What else should I check? Oracle. That was, I bet you after that boat incident, that's why it's going up. PLTR is for military. QCOM? QCOM. I don't even know what this is. Should. Wow, that's pile driving, but this doesn't have a real effect on the market, I don't think, totally. Wow, this thing is fucking falling. Maybe it's just the overall market in general, other than the Dow. Well, let's look at the Dow. Fuck it. See, it's kind of sideways a little bit. I mean, it went down, but thanks for the share on the live. I appreciate you, E55. I don't know. What do you guys think? Now, this candle's too big for the long. Way too big. It's almost a 100-point candle in 5 minutes. Insane. Yeah, the what, 3100? It's right here, right? Yeah, this might just keep going down, guys. Did you get that one? Yeah, new week opening gap, 3100. I just marked it out. What did you get? I hope you did pretty good in that one, bro. in this club. Oh, who is this scammer? Must have somebody else.
Daddy? Daddy? Is that you? Is that you?
Yay! Margaret is a bot. But she followed me. What's the news? Nothing. Like a super cookie? I like cookies. Followed by a bot. What a loser. So this 5 minutes coming up, dude. And then most likely, if it does, then we're going to 700s. I was hoping we can get a better 1 minute. But the 1 minute's huge too. Where the party at? Nico, I can't believe you got a 25K account, bro. I'm so mad. So I guess it is luck of the draw. But honestly, if I'm spending $100, right? If I'm spending $100 and I can buy the 50K flex for $100, should I just get that instead? I feel like, you know, don't do it no more. But what happens if you get a 150K? But if somebody doesn't trade the 150, then you could get a 150K straight to funded. That would be insane. It is a gamble. I mean, the 150 is a lot of money, right? Apex? I got booted from Apex for no reason, so they can go fuck themselves. Uh, 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 uh. I'm so tempted to buy another key. Let's see. Let's go to add account, Lucid Direct. Wow, that's $588. Well, let's see what it you have to get. There's a 60% trail, but you got a $5,000. So you got a $3,000 daily loss limit. Then you got a consistency rule of 20%. You can do 100 micros. Minimum days to pay out 5, max account 5. Wow. That sounds so beautiful. Even a 25K direct is pretty wild. I don't know, I just feel like Lucid Flex is the easiest. Lucid Pro sounds good, but you do it. All right, we need this. We need some kind of movement here. It's Friday night. And I just don't know what other prop firm. I tried Tradeify. I don't know why they just won't fucking do it. They won't give it to me. Well, I didn't get a
Oil
response
futures
last
here
time.
extending losses with US crude prices down by 5% on hopes that the US and Iran will agree to end the war and allow oil to flow through the Strait of Hormuz.
Look, this is sloppy. Definitely accumulating though, right? This is how we do it. All right, we swipe below. Close above this candle. I'm going to go long. Nothing wrong. I know. I just mute him for now. Close above 511s. I'm going to go long. I haven't decided if I'm going to scalp it or not. Get your freak on. I like this song. All right, we can be aggressive and get in early. I'm going to try it. You still see the spam, really? $30 seconds left, though, so I could be wrong. Trying to get in a little bit early. You blocked the streamer? Why'd you block a streamer? I gotta stop doing this, trying to get in early. It's been fucking me. Because it clearly rejected, right? Fuck you. I fucked that one up. Switch to gaming. So you blocked them? Why'd you just unfollow? Fuck, dude. I really just fucked myself here, didn't I? I just fucked myself. I'm trying to decide where to get out if I'm wrong. I mean, we got a nice area here. You're thinking long soon? Defector? Dude, what a bounce, huh? I'm gonna go in. Ugh, I'm gonna play a lot. Fuck. Come on. Fuck, it might not hold. Even if it doesn't hold, it's just a pretty good spot. Try. There you go. Oh shit. Massive amounts of buying here, isn't it? Fuck, come on. Fuck, this hurt. That was just way too much. Like, I don't know what I'm doing that for. Still got 15 seconds. I keep doing this. I don't know why I'm fighting it. Dude, I'm getting fucking slaughtered. Like, do I fucking close it or not? Fucking slaughtered. $1,400 cash to fucking break even again. Even more, dude. Just not getting a break. Even though maybe I'm just being an asshole and keep fucking going against it.
Daddy?
As soon as
Daddy,
I
is
fucking
that
go
you?
short, I know it's
Is
gonna
that
go
you?
up. Nah, I gotta go in long.
Mr. L, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Daddy, chill.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei.
I just fucked up there. The candles are huge. Fuck. It just keeps going. I'm fucking myself pretty bad. We could go down 340s, to be honest with you. I don't know. What did you do so I can do the opposite? That just did not hold, right? And just fucking dumped 70
Wall Street
points.
Journal reporting that the US-Iran deal allows Tehran to immediately sell oil.
Polish?
So looking into the piece from the Wall Street Journal, the US will allow Iran to immediately begin selling oil and fuel under the deal to end the war, offering Tehran an
300?
early financial incentive to wind down the conflict, according to people familiar with the agreement. The provision for waivers of sanctions on oil sales takes effect immediately upon signing the agreement this week and also covers necessary services including banking, transportation, and insurance to facilitate the sales, according to the people.
Look at this fucking straight downtown. Aw, come on, what? I mean, let's go across. Let's look for something actually legit. Okay, so there is at that bottom and it's swept. Candles are huge. This fucking closes up, dude. That'd be crazy. Back to the cloud, Mr. Yogurt. Okay, close above this yellow line here is a long for me. Wait, is it? I think I fucked that one up. Yeah, that would be a long for me. I would say at least the 520s, but it could easily go to like 577s.
Brent oil hits an intraday low, trading near $79 per barrel.
Just closed above. Yeah, I'm gonna add two more. Going to 517s, 520s. Hanging from above. probably do 6 here. And then we'll see if it continues up higher. Yeah, 2 funded. 1 Tradeify daily and 1 Lucid. Yikes, that might pull back a little bit. Let's see. I do not do direct, no. It doesn't, the cost doesn't make sense to me because I could pass very easily and bank off of
US yields extending their decline to touch session lows as oil drops.
Why am I making you nervous, Nico? Here, I'll take off. Watch it just rip down. Alright, I'm out 2. Alright, we got 2 left. Might take it out. I don't know. It could easily go up to like 550s. Only in 1 micro on live. Forget to get in unfunded. I thought you used a copy trader, no?
Daddy?
Or is that working?
Daddy? Is that you? Is that you? Jesse, welcome to the cell, Daddy.
Value Sensei. Value Sensei.
See, if I was patient and just waited for this to initially happen, we would have been Gucci. But I was trying to get in a little early. Doesn't work for funded and lives. It should. Let's see. Sven Van der Velde Beach Day. It's so nice outside too. Now remember before I tried doing the bounce again and it didn't work for me last time, so be careful. I gotta figure that one out. I think as long as it closes green, we're okay, and it's got 10 seconds left. Oof, see, it's gonna go fucking bad on me. Wow, we went right to the 2, huh? Deviation. Breaks above this. Should go. I mean, we closed above it. Could go to 577s. Put on my best clothes. What was that? Which you when you're finally right, do you think about this song? I put on my best clothes. There we go, Daddy. Let's get this. We just broke that manipulation candle. It's about the beat, not the words. I'm digging the words. I put on my best clothes.
Daddy, chill.
I put on my best clothes. Ooh, what's next? Let's see. Uh, 50% of this hourly candle is now at 535, so just be careful. But we did break the 15, which is telling me it wants to go up higher. Let's get this. 700? It could. We'll have to feel it out. I don't know. We need some, like, deep house. We're gonna put a, we can't lose. Trailing stop loss. Pretty gangsta beat right there. All right, I'm gonna move my stop up to 518. Could wick me out though. I think we're good to go up there. Trying to decide on where I want this. Hoping we just blast through this so there's no indecision here. That was pretty gangsta beat. That had me moving. Let's see here. So break below this. Me no likey. Let's see. Need to bring this down just a little bit. Gotta give some wiggle room. Gotta get through this. All right. Might get stopped out here. $103. Hey, green's green, right? What, this candle got you here? I mean, they're massive candles, dude. What was that? Fucking 80-point move in one candle.
Germany's Chancellor Merz says, I told Trump that Germany is ready to contribute to the Strait of Hormuz mission.
Yeah, because it's so wiki. I don't see why it doesn't get to 567s, but might chop, might chop. It is lunchtime. Go, let's go. Rip City, Rip City. I mean, look, that was what, 200 points? Holy fuck, almost.
US stocks extend gains, the Dow Jones up 1%. IDF say their Air Force intercepts Hezbollah rockets launched in Lebanon.
Oh my god. They can't keep it together. I think I might close it because this is giving me shorts. 541s would indicate a small short at least. But if it doesn't, then we're good. All right, I got tapped out. So it's probably going to pull back or dance. I think I'm going to hop off for some lunch. Gotta feed those summer muscles, you know what I mean? Oh! I should be back on like 2:30ish, 2:40. And then yeah. Not bad. I mean, it was a little fucking rocky. I wish I would have waited a little bit more for some confirmations and we wouldn't have been struggling at all. Probably would have been up like 5,000 if I didn't fuck up. I gotta wait for the confirmations in these markets. You can't get in pre. You get in pre, man, this shit fucks you. It's fucking you. So it is what it is. All right, let's do a little closer. We're back on like 2:30. Good trading defector. I'm gonna figure out your style. The Impossible Rain Man style. Yeah, so the prop firm that I use is Lucid. Use code BULLY, all caps, BULLY. The more you guys use that code, the more I can get back to you guys. We did 2 giveaways yesterday worth $200. Well, I paid $200. Free Discord in the bio. It's where we communicate when we're not on. We're growing in there. We're over 500 people, so getting there. We're getting there. Other than that, Roberto, I'm just hopping off for a little bit. Mr. Dad, it's been a while, bro. You need to quit your job. I'll be back on at like 2:30. Yeah, we did okay today. It was still a little rough, though. I got a new style for us, Dad. I think it's pretty broken. Hell no, I invest in SpaceX. I figured out a way to do liquidity sweeps, but get in a little bit earlier. But yeah. All right, I'm going to hop off, guys. I'll be about on like 2:30, 2:40, and then we'll go from there. Daddy's going to work out a little bit and eat. And then I'll catch you guys later.
Bear says deuces.
Daddy, chill.